Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jada. As you can tell by the title, I am doing my nails with a Polygel nail kit. This is my first time. I don't know how it's gonna go. But yeah, y'all just go sit here and watch while I try to do my nails. So this is the box that it came in. The link will be in the description box down below. By the way, go ahead and follow me on all my social medias. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't yet, and turn on the post notification bell so you know I post. So yeah, in the box they have everything. So they have the manual with the instructions and what comes in the set. It shows you everything there. And they also have the yeah, the nail system. That's how it looks on the bottom. In this little pouch thingy, it has all different utensils in there. So it has like the file, the little clippers, the thing that you push your nail bed down with. Okay, and this little tool thing, I did not know what the hell that was when I first took it out the box. But as you can see, you can open it and it releases the lip cylinder, and it's the brush on the inside. And on the other side, you can open it and it's this utensil. I'm saying utensil when I'm hungry, but anyways, yeah. So now I'm taking out all the polish, the polygel polish, whatever you want to call it, and it's a set of 18, I believe. So it has different colors. It has the thermal changing colored ones. It has regular colors, and it has glitter. By regular colors, I meant natural, like nude colors. This is also an UV light that came in it. When I ordered it, there were two options. I could have ordered the set without the UV light, and I could have got it with the light. So I might as well, it was not that much difference in pricing. So I was like, you know what, let me just get it. But yeah, this is how it looks when you take it out. It's really simple, nothing fancy. And here are the 3 different settings and time you can use. So it's 1 minute, 30 seconds, 90 seconds, yeah, whatever. So now I'm about to just look at the manual, the directions, so I can start. So this is a little tool that they told me to use on my nail bed and push down all that dead skin, and eventually I'm going to be cutting it all off when I'm done. So after I got rid of the dead skin, I went in with the filer that they had in the box. This filer, really, it was doing the job. So now I have this little dusty thingy I have in my box when I do acrylic nails. I'm gonna just use that because why not? Get all that powder and dirt off. Now I'm gonna go in with this base coat, and I'm gonna just go over my nose with it, and then I'm gonna put my hand under the UV light. Real simple. Not me struggling to figure out how this works, but as I put my hand under there and I wait for it to dry, supposedly I'm supposed to wait twice, so 2 minutes. It was not given, it was still sticky, and it was not dry. It was getting me upset because I didn't know if I was doing it right or not, so I had to put it right back under for another 2 minutes. So yeah, just watch me go on TikTok and wait till this time is up. So now that I'm done waiting for it to dry, I'm going out with the system. So I am familiar with this part because when I do regular acrylic nails, all you gotta do is just line it up with your fingers and see if the size matches your nail. And yeah, So I did that with all 5 of my fingers, and then I have to go back in with this new brush that I had. Just in case like I messed up, I'll just use my nail polish remover to clean up the ends. Not gonna lie, I don't even think I was supposed to use that, but anyways, I chose white because I like white nails. And yeah, it was going okay for the pinky, but then it started going downhill. But I'm gonna just let y'all see what happened. Boom. Red flag number 1. Who on earth told me to squeeze down that nail like that? Nobody told me to do that. Like, where did that come from? Anyways, let me shut up and let y'all see what foolishness came out of this. Bruh, do you see what I'm seeing? Like, are you kidding me? I couldn't believe my eyes. Like, where did I go wrong? I had to sit there and really ask myself, where did I go wrong? Anyways, I knew I could fix it some way or the other, so I decided to cut it and file it down some, like all the way down, but not all the way down, but like squared, short. You gonna see. Yes, sir. Do you see these bad boys? Burr. Period. Okay, so the next step was to go in with the matte top coat. It was an option if I wanted matte or if I wanted gloss. And I was like, let's try matte. I never did matte before. I should have never did matte. Anyways, child, so as you can tell, this is the only nail that I really liked because look how neat it was. Like, I bodied. I went over it with some white nail polish and I went with the matte again. But yeah, this is the final look. I did not like it for my first time, but I mean, whatever. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.